Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a fun picture of Peppa Pig visiting the dentist. Are you excited? Let's get started. First, I'll draw Peppa Pig. Let's begin with her cute little nose and her floppy ears just like this. Next, I'll draw her adorable eyes and her open mouth. Look! Peppa is opening wide for the dentist to check her teeth. Now let's add her arms. Can you see? Peppa is raising her hands. Then I'll draw her round cheeks and her body. Peppa is all done. Next to Peppa, I'm drawing Mrs. Rabbit, the dentist. First, I'll sketch her lovely hat and her round head. Now, I'll draw her tiny nose to bright eyes and a big smiling mouth. She looks so friendly. Let's add her arms. Mrs. Rabbit is holding a magnifying glass to carefully check Peppa's teeth. Isn't that cool? I'll use a black marker to outline the drawing and make everything clear and neat. Now it's time for the most fun part, coloring. I'll start with light pink for Peppa's skin. Her snout and cheeks look so rosy. Then, I'll use a darker pink for the rest of her face and ears. For her pretty dress, I'll choose red. What's your favorite color? Next, let's color Mrs. Rabbit. I'll use dark blue for her hat. It looks so stylish. For her skin, I'll pick a soft cream color. Doesn't she look great? Great job, everyone. Wow, you've done such an amazing job coloring along. If you had fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing adventures. See you in the next video, friends. Bye-bye.